Turns out it's cheaper to buy parts through Carbonetics than it is Racer Industries. Go figure. Alright, let's go to the garage.
Hello, puppies. Hello.
There we go. You guys have missed out about it in a few videos. Yikes. Egan's done a good job. Because jeez, look at all those warning lights. It doesn't have a flat. It drops 1 PSI on it. Says that it's going flat. Yes, yes. Womp. And like a glove. Oh, we have some room to play. Need to get lowering springs for this thing. But I don't really care. So, alright. Let's play around with the Silvia. Just gonna move a few things around. Drag all those boxes out the front. And probably put the interior together, put these lights in properly. Yeah, just a general tidy up because I haven't been able to get down to the shops to get screws or anything like that yet. Oh well, give me a tick, I'll move some boxes. Cool. Alright, so I'll probably have to take the headlights out of this, but yeah, most likely. I essentially, this little clip there, if it focuses, that one there is slightly too thin to go around that. Because it's fiberglass, it's quite thick, so I'll probably have to shave it down or something. I don't know if I have anything here, but I'll make do. I'll figure it out. It'll be fine. So, I probably haven't shoved them facing down. That's just tape, that'll come straight off. So, I guess first things first, pull the headlights out. Grab some tools, and surprisingly all the brackets on this thing is not bad. It's not in too bad a nick. Usually they're pretty broken and just snapped. So for a pair of bricks, they're probably worth a bit of money these days. So I'll rip them out now. Cool. So, got it out. It was easy to do off camera because it's a very tight fit and I'm out of breath. So, go ahead and mock up the corner indicator and just see if it fits in there all right. I sort of seem to have started on this side, just shaving it down just to see if it'll fit. So, these are eBay corners. They're smoked and I can't remember what I did with the factory ones I had, so if I can get these to slide up that bit just a little more, get a flat blade on the back side and sort of just pull that tab out, I think I'll be alright. I think we'll be in business. Yeah, the smoke is definitely the look. Alright, set up the camera and see if I can't mess around with it to get it to fit. So I found that, what is it? This part of the indicator sort of rubs up here on this piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find something. If I've got a file or anything, it's just fiberglass, so I should be able to just chisel it away, make it fit just a little bit, whether a razor blade, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll chisel it away and see if we can get it to fit. That's all I've got. So, got a grinder with a floppy disk. Not ideal. I'd rather just use a file. There's a lot less that can go wrong when you're just using a file instead of a power drill, but power tool, I should say. But we'll see if we can shave down just a fraction off here to see if I can get it to push up a couple of mil. Ugh, wish me luck. Let's cover my camera. No. Shaved out a bit through there. Did it pretty well, even though it's a bit brutal using a grinder, but let's see if I can mop this up. So it sits alright through the top. That edge I'm happy with. But that gap isn't the nicest, because if you can't go far back enough, you get this gap at the front. So ideally, what I'd like to do is maybe shave a bit ahead of the corner in there. So I like that being a bit thicker. Well, it's already quite thin through there, so if I can shave that down just a fraction, it'll be alright. Use that. Just hold it up a bit. Mint. Pulled it out just a little bit. So, for a lot more grinding, the fiberglass guards, grinding this, shaving tabs off this, I got it to fit half decent. Now, let me just spin this around to show you. As you can see, there's fiberglass dust everywhere. Shove that in there, and this will get held up and pulled in by that. So they fit pretty good. The tab will bring that in slightly. So just excuse the big gap at the bottom because the front bar's just hanging on by a thread. It's not actually mounted up. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to wipe it down quickly. Throw in the headlight and then slip this on. Ended up being a lot more work than I thought. Probably about half an hour with grinding and shaving and just millimeters at a time, but we got there.
Bit of boss gloss.
Got it all mounted up. Headlights mounted up in locating positions and roughly on the guard where I can get it to sit because it's all fiberglass. This doesn't sit 100% right, but it is what it is. I still need to get a screw for up here, so that'll pull it in a fair way, but not 100%. Don't mind the bumper gap, it's not on properly. I'm all happy with these body panels, so those panel gaps I should say. I'm going to do the other side really quickly. I'll do it off camera just because it's the same bloody thing, just on the other side. Sweet. So, get this one on. I want to make some bumper brackets that sit in between here. One bolt there, and you can sort of screw them in from either side just to sort of center out the bumper, but got both of them on. Need to get this stuff off. I'll get it off soon, but that's pretty much it. Looks a lot better. Jeez, tripping over. Looks a lot better with some lights in it at least. But I was gonna do the interior, but I'm still waiting. I need to get down to the shops to get some bolts and springs and stuff. So I'm not going to bother putting it back together just to pull it apart again when I do the short shifter. So this is sort of it for now. I need to get my hands on a jack and some jack stands so I can jack it up. This thing has the nicest exhaust on it. It was pretty much custom dump pipe all the way back in 3-inch stainless, TIG welded by a bloke called Fabulous Fabrications. It is unbelievably good looking under there. He's done an awesome job. It was probably 2018 or 2019, so it's been a while, but yeah, it'd be cool to show you guys that anyway. But I want to take the wheels off, just give everything a bolt check. I can take the fuel out, I can get the surge tank out, I just need to get the thing up off the ground. So that'll be next on my purchase list, a jack and some jack stands. So till then, I'm not really sure what else I can do. I can probably put on, you know, if I get some bolts, I'll put on all the trim and the garnish and the windscreen wipers and everything, but I'm sure you don't really want to watch that. So yeah, I was going to do the interior, but I'm not gonna because we'll have to take it back apart. So that'll pretty much do it for tonight. Nice, easy, short video. And yeah, I'm just gonna go back to my computer, edit this up, and probably browse more car parts like I do every night. Easy. See you in the next one. Goodbye.